This infection preventionist role leads a multi-campus infection prevention program across 2 South Carolina hospitals and affiliated off-site locations. Reporting to the Director of Quality, you will own surveillance using CDC and NHSN criteria, coordinate prevention and control policies, round across inpatient and outpatient areas, and drive rapid response to trends, clusters, and outbreaks. The work blends program leadership with hands-on coaching, partnering with perioperative services, sterile processing, environmental services, employee health, and unit leaders, while maintaining regulatory readiness. Ideal candidates bring a health sciences foundation and practical experience in patient care practices, microbiology, aseptic technique, disinfection and sterilization, adult education, infectious diseases, epidemiology, data analysis, and program administration. Proficiency with NHSN reporting and risk stratification is strongly preferred. CIC certification within 2 years of hire is required. Completion of a basic infection control course within 6 months is expected. A nursing background can be helpful but is not required. The hospitals offer a community-based environment with a very small, close-knit infection prevention team, whose members tend to stay. Average tenure is about 13 years. You'll support a broadly capable clinical setting, everything except transplants, including full ORS at both campuses and a cardiac surgery program at the primary site. The footprint includes a primary campus in the mid-200s bed range and a secondary campus around 100 beds, typical daily census approximately 35 to 50, providing diverse yet highly collaborative work across service lines. Located in South Carolina, the area pairs strong local schools with quick access to big city amenities, about 30 minutes to a major metro, plus easy weekend escapes roughly 2 hours to the mountains and 3 hours to the beach. Surrounding communities are growing rapidly, adding new neighborhoods, restaurants, and recreation options, making it an appealing place to build both a career and a life.
Hey, it's Jordan and Johnny with Clutch Recruitment, and we want to take the time to thank you for watching this video.
If you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback on this opportunity, we would love to connect over a quick phone call. If this sounds like an opportunity that you would be interested in pursuing, we would love to represent you. We want to thank you again for your hard work in the field of infection and hope you have a great day.